So today I'm currently in the Seoul Folk Flea Market and I'm looking for these cookie molds that I used when I was making the dashik cookies. So it's supposed to be like wooden. I haven't found them anywhere else. So I was thinking maybe I could find them here. So it's kind of really cool because you're walking around and it's Monday, so it's a fairly quiet day, but you'll be walking around, people will be like eating, store owners will be like watching a Korean drama, or there was one that was just like picking or like cleaning chives, maybe for later on in the day. So it's actually quite cool. Oh, sorry, English. So actually one of the security guards was actually like, oh, like you're filming, you have to go and see this guy, and he just spoke Korean, and the guy that I saw just spoke Korean as well, and it was kind of like a security guard officer, so I had to go to the side area, and I was like, oh poop, for sure I'm in trouble again filming, but he saw me and then he was just like, yeah, of course you can film, and then he just gave me one of these staff passes, so maybe I'll get a better deal. Maybe I'll get a better deal with this little pass. So now I'm on the second floor. This whole floor smells herbally because I think that they're making herbal soup or something. This is actually the cafeteria. Maybe we'll get to go through later. I feel awkward with my badge, but it is what it is.
어제 얼마나 바빴는데 둘 다 그거 주마.
So this is the food court on the second floor. Here you go, food court. It is also very Korean in writing, so but there are places with pictures. Oh boy, she just brought out, oh yeah, you can have that. She just brought out the bibimbap, which is just all vegetables. Usually there's a side of rice that goes with it, and then she brought out this soup as well. I have no idea what's in this soup, but that was really nice of her, and I will definitely try some. As usual, there's some banchan on the side, so that's some, let's see, daikon radish. We have some kimchi. Be careful though, like sometimes there's fish paste, sometimes there's not. And then, what is this, chives, I think? I'm on the second floor now, and then to the side, there's literally like I don't know, it's sort of like a museum area where they probably have aggregated a bunch of old flea market historic items and then put them together, and the colors are amazing here. Check that out. And then like, look at these little video game guys. Hello. I don't know. I mean, they're not stores. There's nobody here. But like, yeah, like how weird is that? It's these little, it's like an old schoolroom boards. They sold one of these, Samick, organ, pianos. Oh, How cool does that look? And then you have like a lunchbox where you can put the chopsticks. Yeah, it's really pretty.
You can have like coffee in.
Oh. Can you go inside? Oh, this is a real coffee. This is a chainsaw. There too. Maybe. Stuff like this lady. But then you also get things like this one. I've actually seen a fair amount of golf clubs here too. Guess what? I found my Dashik mold. There was only one lady with it. There was a lot of people with the wooden molds, but none with the ones where you could push up the cookie mold. So I was able to only find it in one place. And I'm really happy because she started it off with it being $20, and I wanted it just a little bit lower. So she was just so nice about it. So it was really cool. This out. So this may look like a normal mold to you, but what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put like two kind of chopsticks or two sticks, one on this end and one on this end, right? And so you kind of make the cookies like this with it suspended, and then afterwards you remove the sticks, and then it's supposed to push them right out. So that is the difference between a Dashik mold and your normal molds. And they're like 10 times harder to find. If you can kind of see it, they're all hand carved. So the petals are different shapes. Everything's a different shape. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this, or if I'm just gonna leave it there and look at it and be really happy and giggly about it.